Init? Bakit? Magsusulat ka na? Sabihin mo nga, tita. Tita. That's mine. It's my ball pen. Ay, marunong siyang magsulat. Maghawak ng ball pen na. Galing na ah.
Bumili ka na lang ng bago.
Wow! Hindi kita tinuruan, pero alam mo nang maghawak ng ball pen. Say hello. Uy, Boom Boom. May ball pen si Boom Boom. Oh, hawak mo. Hold. Hold the ball pen, baby. It's very hot. Oh, you get your ball pen.